Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fade out video in Filmora, create a smooth Filmora transition, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device. Once you're already in, it's time to import the media or clips that you want to use. We have the import media option in here. Click onto that to browse onto your different files or go ahead and drag and drop the videos or clips that you want to use. So since we have added some already in here, we're going to use this user guide here. Click onto the plus icon to add this one here onto the timeline. So you could also simply drag and drop it so that it would be easier for you to add them here. Right after, we're going to move this playhead in here to choose where we want to start the fade out of our video. So for example, I want to start the fade out here. So we're going to go ahead and hover or put playhead onto this part, click onto the video and head here under video and basic. Right after that, we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we find an opacity. So we're going to go ahead and click onto the diamond icon in here to add a keyframe. So onto this part, we're going to leave the opacity to 100 and then we're going to move the playhead onto the last part of the video and we'll add another keyframe in here, or we're going to go ahead and lessen this up until 0 and it will automatically add a keyframe. Now if you do a quick preview, this is how it should look like. So as you can see, it added a seamless or smooth Filmora transition, which is fade out. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.